Captain Fernando Berhil de Dios. And Captain Fernando Berhil de Dios also had two wives before, but don't worry, not at the same time, okay? So the first wife of Capitan Fernando Berhil de Dios was named Carmen Pausa de Leon, wherein they had 9 children. But unfortunately, Carmen died. After 1 year, Capitan Fernando remarried, and his second wife during that time was named Angela Nunez, wherein they were blessed with additional 12 children. That's why if we are going to total all of the children of Captain Fernando Berhil de Dios, he actually had 21 children in his past two wives. Okay? So right now, that house is under renovation because they want to convert that house as one of our rental houses here. So once again, that's our Casa Baliwag Uno from Baliwag, Bulacan. And now, let's proceed to Casa Quiapo, the big and elegant house that you can see next to Casa Baliwag. Let's go.
Buti na lang, tsinelas ako.
Kaya pala nagsinelos na lang ako.
Nagpapaakad nun. Kaya pala.